Students, today we are going to start a new topic of cube and cube roots. So let's start with new topic. So in this topic, we are going to learn about the shortcut method of finding a cube. This method is also known as the column method. So today we are going to discuss about the shortcut method of finding a cube, and we will see some important questions based on it. Okay. Now, what is the shortcut method for finding the cube of a two-digit number? So for that, we are going to use an identity, that is a plus b whole cube. So we have already learned about this identity, a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube, that is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So हमने पहले भी ये आइडेंटिटी पढ़ी हुई है. So हम इस मेथड में इसी आइडेंटिटी का इस्तेमाल करने जा रहे हैं. So now what is the method? What is the method of finding this cube? That for finding the cube of a two-digit number with a tens digit a and the unit digit b, we make up four columns. We have to make up four columns. The first column is headed by a cube. The second column is headed by a 3a square b, and the third column is headed by 3ab square, and the fourth column is headed by b cube. It means first column का heading क्या होगा? a cube. सेकेंड का क्या होगा? 3a square b. थर्ड का होगा 3ab square, and fourth का होगा that is b cube. Okay. Now how we are going to remember this one? How we are going to remember this, ki what we have to write on the first column and what we have to write in the second. So we can see here, that is the first and second column contains a square, and third and fourth column contains b square. In the first column we have to multiply a square with a, then it makes a cube. In second one we have to multiply it by 3b, then we have to multiply 3a, then we have to multiply b. So how we have to remember? कैसे remember कर सकते हैं? That is a 3b 3a and b, and a square b square. That is, it is only just a way to remember, but actually that is we have to remember only these things. First column is headed by a cube, second column headed by 3a square b, and third one 3ab square, and the fourth one b cube. Okay. Let's have an example. We have to see with an example. Suppose that we have to find out the value of 29 cube. So 29 cube, so a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 9. So as we know that the first column is headed by a cube, second column headed by 3a square b, third column headed by 3ab square, and fourth column is headed by b cube. So in the first column we have to write what? That is a cube. A cube means that is the cube of 2, that is 8. In second we have to write 3a square b. So in second column we have to write 3a square b. So 3a square b, so that is 3 into 2 to the 4 a square, then b is your, that is 9. So 9 is 27. 27 into 4, that is 108. So we have to write here 108. Now in the next column we have to write b square into 3a, that is 3a square 3ab square. So the square of b, 9 9 is 81, and 3a, that is 3 into 2, that is 6. Now 81 into 6, that is 486. Now b cube, 9 into 9 into 9, that is 729. So now we have to write the first digit of, that is this first column, that is from the right side. So we have to write here 9, then just add this 72 on the second column value, that is 486 plus 72, it makes is 558. So we have to write 8 first, then add 55 on 108, it will gives you, that is 163. We have to write the first digit of this 3, then add 16 on this that is 8, so you will get a 24. Now this time we have to write the whole value, that is 24. This will gives you, that is the cube of 29 is your 24389. Okay, so this is the way how we are going to find out the cube of any number, any two-digit number, with the help of this column method, simply by without multiplying 29 into 29 into 29. Okay, so let's see one more example. Suppose that we have to find out the value of 71 cube. So here A is your 7 and B is your 1. So first column we have to write A square into A, so that is 7 square, that is 49, into 7, that is 343. In second we have to write A square into 3B, so that is 49 into 3 ones are 3, that is, so 49 into 3, that is 147. Then in third, b square into 3a, so 1 plus square 1 hoga. Then 3a into, that is 3 7 is 21, so 21 1 is 21. Then in next one, that is b square into b, that is 1 square into 1, so that is 1 only. Now the first, from the right side, the first column value will be 1, so we have to just copy here 1. Then from the first digit of the second column, that is 1, add this remaining part in third column, so 147 plus 2 becomes 149. Then write down the first digit of the third column, that is 9, and add 14 on this 343, you will get 357. Now just take that 357 completely and your number becomes 357911, which is the cube of 71. Okay, so this is the way how we are going to find out the cube. Okay, so but the only disadvantage of this method is that this method is only applicable for two-digit numbers. Okay, now here the list of some cube and cube roots are given to you, and square roots are given to you. For example, that is here the list of that is x 1 2 3 4 5 up to 25 is there, and here the square is given to you, so that is the square of first 25 natural numbers is given, and then the square of, that is the first 25 square root of first 25 natural numbers is given to you, so you have to remember it. Then again the cube of, that is a first 25 natural numbers is given to you, and along with that the cube root of that is a first 25 natural numbers is given to you. So at least try to learn that is the square and the cube of first 25 natural numbers. Okay, so in next session we are going to discuss about the method of finding the cube roots, how we are going to find out the cube root. Till that you have to complete your exercise 4b in homework. For any doubt you can ask in your classroom app. Be safe, stay at home. Thank you very much.